Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile erase all data setting. How to erase all data, how to factory reset Infinix mobile. Friends, we want to factory reset your Infinix mobile. So friends, how to factory reset, how to erase all data one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Open your friend phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So how to factory reset, how to erase all data. Friends, you will have to click here system setting. After system setting friends, click here reset option. And friends, you want to reset your phone network setting, Wi-Fi network, mobile network, Bluetooth network. So you can reset from here. Click here, again click here, setting will reset. So friends, click here factory data reset setting, and friends you can see this will erase all data on your device, your Google account, system app and data setting, download apps, music, photo, other user data. So friends, on your Infinix mobile guys, your all photos, videos, music, everything will delete. Friends, you have download games, download apps and download apps. So guys, your download app will delete also. So friends, you want to factory reset. So friends, click here. Friends, click here, erase all data, and you can erase all data. Friends, I don't want to erase. I just told you you want to erase, so you can erase from here. After this, friends, you will have to set up your Infinix mobile, your photos, video, contact, download apps, system data, Google account will delete on your device. So friends, before delete, before erase friends, you can file transfer nearby device, and friends you can use your share me app and you can file transfer. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.